With volume, variety and velocity, big data is a truly global phenomenon, a collection of data from traditional and digital sources that's too broad and complex for conventional data processing tools. Big data today is a big deal, yet everyone can do something with it. As the digital revolution enters its next phase, it is big data that's reshaping the business world. Clearly, every enterprise needs to fully understand big data and the potential of data-driven operations. Fueled by analytics applied to big data and using analytics tools, cutting-edge business insights and patterns can be unlocked. These insights can be used to model future scenarios, optimize the overall service deliveries, and come up with individual strategies. Perhaps the most powerful transformation is how the public sector is embracing data-driven service delivery and implementing them for good governance. Supreme audit institutions are responsible for assuring good governance to the citizens of their countries. Hence, they have to deal with the data-driven environment.
When the entire business processes are being rewritten in the wake of big data revolution, how can public auditing remain untouched with this development? Analyzing data and linking multiple databases for audit process has enormous potential for upgrading our audit skills. This is a unique opportunity for public auditors. SAI India has seized this opportunity and we are moving towards data analytics through a long-term vision and well-defined action plan.
With a more proactive, forward-facing approach, SAI India has realized the potential of data analytics in strengthening audit process using modern technologies and is making rapid strides. Going a step further, SAI India's approach is to process both primary data as well as third-party data such as census and surveys. Post-analytics, as patterns and trends emerge, it generates new insights which help in identifying the key areas to focus upon while auditing. With an intent to lead the way in big data management and taking lead from the vision of CAG, while understanding the complexities in the domain of data analytics, SAI India came out with the Big Data Management Policy in September 2015. The policy addressed various issues confronting SAI India in big data arena, such as laying stress on the need to identify and collect various data sources. The data sources were categorized into internal data sources of SAI India, data available with audited entities, third-party data like census, and survey data which could be utilized for audit planning. The data management protocols that should address data access arrangements, including agreements with external sources, privacy and confidentiality, and compliance with legislative and regulatory requirements. To make various data analytic and visualization techniques as part of audit process. The massive infrastructure and capacity building measures to take SAI India fully into the world of big data.
Once the big data management policy came out, we realized the enormity of the task at hand and the challenges ahead. I realized that to institutionalize data analytics into the organization, the key will be to have a clear roadmap on the way ahead.
Audit in a huge country like India is primarily planned and executed at various field offices. Hence, we decided to focus on capacity building in all offices. We created the Center for Data Management and Analytics, CDMA, in June 2016 to coordinate SAI India's efforts on data analytics and to address capacity development issues in this area.
Since its formation, CDMA has been steering big data initiatives of SAI India at a frantic pace. Data analytic groups, the nodal cell for data analytic activities, has been constituted in all field audit formations of SAI India. Through a series of trainings in various parts of the country, Members of these groups have been trained on latest data analytic techniques and tools. Advanced level training has been provided for selected officials in collaboration with premier technical and management institutes in the country. The emphasis has been on imparting knowledge and building capacity to employ analytic techniques, including statistical techniques and visualization techniques for audit planning, audit execution, and reporting. Emphasis has also been on identifying all relatable data sets and developing analytic models that can be updated and used repetitively in various audits conducted by SAI India. All the field formations of SAI India have started using data analytics in their audit. Quality of audits through pilot projects like Social Security pensions in the province of Kerala, direct benefit transfer in the cooking gas subsidy scheme, Pahal, leave salary payment in Telangana, and around 24 other projects have improved significantly through use of data analytics. Following well-established steps, SAI India's goal is to make data analytics part and parcel of every performance audit and incorporating data analytics in performance audit methodology. With the audit teams having idea on the key risk areas in the organization before the start of audit, in this approach, the audit teams doing compliance audit will be equipped with dashboards containing analytical results about the organization to be audited. SAI India is in the process of creating a data repository where data from diverse sources would be brought together and managed. To harness the profound potential of data analytics, SAI India is willing to share its experiences and learn from the knowledge of other SAIs to make a coordinated strategy for strengthening public sector auditing. As the pendulum has clearly swung in the direction of data analytics, SAI India foresees an orbital change in the way external audit functions. This initiative will play a catalytic role in enhancing the efficiency and accuracy of audit and will be a game changer in the field of public audit and its role in promoting good governance.